Hello everybody, it's Wendy here again from Wendy's Crafting, and look what I've got. Woohoo! Goodies! Oh dear me, the only thing I've done actually is taken them out of the box. I haven't done anything else to them because I wanted you to see it with me. This is from a suite called Blackberry Bliss, and I'm just, oops, not very good with papers, am I? Look at those. Look at these papers. Oh, wow. That's all I can say. Look at them. Oh, dear. You know what's going to happen, don't you? We've got papers with nice sides, both sides. Oh, I love that one. That was beautiful. Little birdies. Oh, look at it. Look at this side. Incredible. Oh, look, folk leaves there. Oh, so there's a lot in there. Unfortunately, I can't show you what's inside the catalogue, but we'll try our best to do what's in the outside. That's the papers, and this is the Blackberry Beauty Ephemera pack. Not quite sure what's in here. Get it? Oh, Wendy's bugged it again, broke it again. Wow. A little paper ephemera you could pop out and pop out quicker than the others. Then you can put them on your card as well. Look at these gold ones. Ooh. Oh, looking forward to using these. There seems to be two of each. So that's going to be good. What I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to find something to put them in, or they'll be gone. Well, not gone, but they'll have fallen all over the floor. Now, this is the stamp set that goes with it, and it's called Beauty of Tomorrow. I mean, it's just wonderful. The changing of the leaves remind us that new worlds are just around the corner. New wonders, are just around the corner. You've got the little birds, you've got these beautiful stamps, and a splodge. Splodges are very useful. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Sorry, my throat's dry. Some people are just likeable. You're one of those people. I know this is a difficult day. Oh, that's a lovely saying, isn't it? Because we all know people that have had those difficult days. So that is a part of the Blackberry Bliss. Blackberry Bliss or Blackberry Beauty. Now I'm all confused as to what goes where. Shaded Summer, that is, and oh dear, I've taken all of these out. I've got no idea where I'm going to put all of these. I think I will have to hide them somewhere. Well, no, Wendy, what you've got to do, I've got to put them somewhere where they're going to be used instead of just sort of, ferreted away. This has got Summer Shadows. And really, I'm not sure what that's from. But what I'll do is, as I'm using them, I will tell you this was A, B, C, D, or whatever. And now the good thing is, around this time of the year as well, there is a celebration goes on. Now, I was very naughty and I've spent a lot of money. But I've got these stamps there, because every £45 you spend, you get a free gift. I got this Feels Like Home one, which I think is lovely. Something very, I do. Is that shouting French to you? I think it is to me, that is. Why? I don't know. Je ne sais quoi. Whatever that, crumbs, I used to know what I mean. I hope that wasn't swearing. Now, you know me and flowers, don't you? And I saw this and I thought, I've got to get this. I really have got to get this. And there's a two-step stamp, which is brilliant because you can use that on its own, or that on its own, or put that and that together, and that and that and that and that. Look. And what they've done is they do them like this, so when you pull these off, pull these off, you can stick them on there, and then you haven't got some bits of plastic falling around the place, or them breaking or getting lost. I lost one set the other day, and I don't know where it is. Right, some shadows, is that? Oh, right, Beauty Friendship. Now I bought this because I bought the dies back a while, and I thought I don't need the stamps, you know, I'm fine. No, I do need the stamps. So I bought that to go with the beautiful papers. Beautiful leaves. So there is that leaf. Gorgeous leaves. Look at that. Look at another splodge. I've got to use these splodges more often, haven't I? At the moment, I'm not really getting this. Well, I never know where to put them, you know. Oh, wow. Woohoo, that is a day and a half, isn't it? Oh, hang on, there's two. Oh. Wow. Beautiful leaves day. Well, that is, I've got to look for that, what that is as well. What I'll do is, when I write the description in at the bottom of the thingy video, I will write in what each of these stamp sets and dies go together. Now, these are called cabin dies. Now, these go with that. Look at that, isn't he cute? Look at the baby as well. And this is the die set that goes with it, and it cuts out various aspects of this. Well, so you could make a scene of yourself. Cabin dies, that is, I think. Yes. Right, so there's that one done. I'm trying to be quick because I don't want to drag them out too long. So you've seen that one, you've seen that one. Oh, no, that was silly, Wendy. That was a cabin die. This is a polar bear one that goes with this step. One day I'll get it right. Don't know when that'll be, but it'll be. Ta-da! You can cut the big polar bear, and you can cut the baby. And I think there's another piece of the baby there. You can cut him out. And these here are the icicles, look, that come out of his cave. So you can put him in his cave with icicles coming over the top of it. Oh, look, that's all the water and all, isn't it? Oh, this is going to have fun with that. Yes, me. Oh, come on. Right, so there's that. Beautiful tree dies. Again, I'm not sure what this goes with, but look at it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely good. And of course, you've got the two little birds as well. So that's another one that I will try and match up. I've bought a pile of catalogues. So if you'd like to look at the catalogues, then let me know. And as soon as I'm allowed to post them, I will post them to you. At the moment, we have a little period of where we can order them, obviously, and display them to you and to show you what you can do with them. Intricate leaves that now I love. Oh, wow, look at these. Sorry, is that going blurred and out of blurred? I don't know. Look at all of these. It cuts out every little tiny blip of them. Oh, looking forward to that one. So there's that. And I think that's it. Cabin dies, beauty tree dies, beautiful leaf dies. Yeah, so that's all for the dies in the thingy-jigs. Ouch. Probably step on that in a minute. This is from Beautifully Penned DSP. And it's all black and white, I think, from what I've gathered. Yes, look. Now these are lovely. You can put your own colours to these. It looks like there's 4 of that one. Now this is useful for all sorts. Look at these. You can colour all those in. What's nice when you colour them in? So you wanted to use that paper, for instance. Well, what you could do, you could colour these in a dark red. I will find out what colours go with that, but they would look really lovely. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, dots. I like dots. Who doesn't like dots? Dots are very useful, and I absolutely love them. So there we are. We've got 4 of those as well. Some beautiful papers and a lovely lot of goodies for me to find a home for and enjoy. Thank you for staying with me. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I would be very happy to have you as one of my subbies. Thank you. Bye.